Everybody, today I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe which is a stir-fried vegetable with egg. The vegetable using is called Tiwang Miao in Chinese, it's kind of spinach. And then we have the garlic, and for garnishing we're using a little bit of the red chili, and also we need the egg. For the ingredients is the salt and pepper, that's simple. For cooking of the vegetable with egg, the Tiwang Miao, first you heat up the pan with oil and then you put in the garlic. Stir fry the garlic. Next, put in the chili. Stir fry it. Once the chili and the garlic is ready, put in the Tiwang Miao, the spinach, and stir fry it together. Add in some salt and pepper. Give it a good mix. After giving a good mix, put on the cover, put on the low medium heat for the next about 1 minute or 2. Once the spinach is softened, take out the cover, put in the egg. And stir it together. And here we have it, our Tiwang Miao, which is a spinach with stir fried with egg, and hope you try this recipe yourself at home. It's very simple and very nutritious. Please subscribe to our channel, and then see you again. Thank you.